know what I'm saying? But yeah, we going to vote, man. You feel me? I'm gonna get my charger.
She want me to be faithful. I pulled up and Chris in the York.
I'm on the way to work, man. We already finished loadout, man. Yeah, that's Big Meech's cousin right there, man. Don't play with him, man. Don't play with that. Give me 8. Alright, man, I was on the phone, so I couldn't play. It was a sign that said vote here. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we going to vote, man. You feel me? I'm gonna get off the charger. Feel me? Trying to well, my mom was telling me like to vote. I told her like, nah, I ain't even gonna vote. She was like, well, that's disappointing, blah, blah. Damn, they made a whole new fucking road. Yeah, there go the sign right there. Say vote here, good. That is a new street, bro, and that is insane, bro. I used to play basketball over here. Like, I used to be nice, boy, carrying the whole rec team. Like, you know, made it to the playoffs, whatever the case. But yeah, this like my part. Like, I grew up. Yeah, basically, I damn near grew up here. Feel me? Cause what's it called? All these damn signs, bro. What the fuck? Hell no. What the fuck is all these signs, boy? But yeah, I used to hoop here all the time, open rec with the bros. Like, man, it's crazy. I ain't been here so long, bro. Cause I don't hoop at all no more. Damn, bro. It's been a minute, man. Okay, they got people standing outside and shit. Feel me? I'm gonna just park up, walk up. I think I had seen something on Trump where I disagreed on. Nothing crazy, but it was like, yeah. I'm gonna fuck with Kamala, man. So yeah, let me get my paper copy ID. Hopefully that bitch is in here. Where the fuck? I'm about to say, oh, where the fuck is it? Please be in here. Yo, where's my ID, bro? Come on, bro. I could have sworn I had my paper fucking ID in here, bro. Like 100%. Like, nigga wouldn't have moved it. And bro, that shit's nowhere to be found. So I done wasted my damn time. This shit like 5 minutes away, bro. But, bro, I'm pissed. I am pissed. It's like, bro, I know I had my fucking ID, bro. It's like, where the fuck else is it gonna go? It's like, I can't just stop losing shit, bro. Like, bro, why would you take your paper out? Light's still hard as a bitch, though. Damn, I can't even see my shit. Oh, you can't even see it. I can see it. Oh, fuck it, bro. I need. Shit ain't perfect. Fuck. Gotta keep going with this shit.
You could do this shit 1,000 times over, you don't get it right. Bro was on the block, trapping daily, I was working nights. OG on me hard, he been told me not to do that. Always keep it Glock, we was taught they play, you shoot that. Ran up, it was hard, boy, you know you supposed to cheat that. I ran it up from nothing.
I see that shit, man. Mac and cheese. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Shit on the floor, man. Oh my god, I want this shit up again. I forgot. But nah, it's still good. Oh my god, look at this shit, man. Fuck. No, I gotta get out and taste it. It might be cold. Yeah, look though. I swear. She got some work to that motherfucker, man. Y'all know this is my first time watching Get Rich Die Trying. So that bitch just hit, and I'm late on all the gangster movies, man, but shit. That's a good, I ain't gonna say it's a good thing, but shit, I get to experience that shit for the first time. Oh, still got that wine bottle on that blizzy outside. Finna go hit that bitch, no bet. It done hit that nigga up, man.
Oh, we gonna take care of it.
Transkin good. We already finished loadout, man. I ain't even need no coffee today. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna drink that water, man. So these good. We don't, these normally full as fuck. So that bitch down there halfway. That bitch full. It ain't a lot, so we ain't looking like too crazy today. You feel me? I leave at 3 today, so I leave on a regular schedule, man. So no OT. Cause the dude that went to Jamaica, my nigga Nell, he coming back today, so that's the only reason I got to stay extra, man. So, but it's a shift I can pick up on this app. It's like from 3:30 though to like 3 in the morning, and then I had to come right back in this bitch, bro. It's either I do that, bro, or I'm just not gonna be making no money, bro. I just got my check. That shit was decent. Made like 800 every week, but man, that shit just ain't enough, man. That shit just ain't enough, man. Go one, feel me? Come on, I ain't gonna lie, this shit fucking my nose, all this dust and shit. Oh my fucking nose, that shit blowing me, dog. Oh, left my jacket right there. Look, I don't feel sick, so I know it ain't me. Motherfucking dust, bro. Shit killing me, bro. Oh, alright, man, we're finishing up out this bitch, man. You feel me? Putting these back in. You know, everybody working out this bitch, man, but yeah. We getting this shit. Oh, I fuck around and get this shit first, so I don't even gotta back up. Hell no, I gotta back up, man. Hell no. Yeah, cool shit, man. Yeah. Getting this shit done, man. I'm tired of fuck. With that wine and that weed had me goddamn. I tried to finish my move, got this fuck around. Crashed out, fell asleep, woke up right on time to go to work. Oh, I probably can't even get back in that bitch. Oh, no, I can't. That shit closed, but I can get back in that motherfucker though. You niggas have a hat on. That shit closed. Get it, though. In there. Come on now. No nail just got back. That boy Teddy in the cut. Feel me? That boy Neb in the cut. Yeah. That boy that hit Jamaica come back like Jamaica on mine. For real. That nigga stayed out there for like a week. I was like, cool. I gotta get my passport, bro. I ain't been out the country not once. Last year I went crazy though. I went to LA, Miami, went to Chicago. Like, I ain't going nowhere this year though. Feel me, nigga ain't do what you supposed to do this year, man. You supposed to lock out. I was locked in, I just fucked it up type shit. It'll be like that though, man. We gonna get this shit back right, you feel me? We getting this shit back right now, man. You did. That boy D in the cut, man. You good, player? You good, man? You know, I'm checking in on the vlog with it, you feel me? Yeah, man, you know, I'm just getting this shit done, man. Feel me? Got this shit. This motherfucker buzzing. I got the Philly cheese in that motherfucker. I'm finna see what that's sitting on. I ain't never had it from them. Yeah, we ain't even put out the lot, bitch. I'm starving. No cap. Team meeting.
It was just yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, that was my handwriting. He was trying to copy my cool style of writing.
This shit, man. Gonna get this shit right. Boss man was looking at, but everybody cool in here. They don't even trip about phones in here. Long as you feel me. Doing something. Or have done something type shit. You know, I'm finna show y'all how to get this shit right. Yeah, what's up? And then, stay up. My phone stay up. Fuck no. Oh, it does. Hey, come on now. That shit ain't even leaning on that. You gotta do it like this. Fuck. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on when I feel me. I gotta hit this shit like this. yeah, that bitch coming in good. Oh yeah, yeah, she good. She good after that. Oh yeah, she already about ready. On both. Let me watch it. Hold on. 29. Let me get that 9. Come on. Ah, there we go. There you go, man. 21.9. Then they just change the blade, so you take the blade, make sure it's right. 21 now. Okay. Take the blade. Ooh. Cut that motherfucker, man. You turn this one this way. Then you take that motherfucker up, man. Before you tape, you gotta clear it. Once you clear it, boom, now that bitch will roll when you step on the little shit. Boom, take the tape. And then take the motherfucking tape. Oh, I think they're able to cut though. That boy never to cut from Jamaica, man. But yeah, boom. So boom, you take this look. Press this shit on the glow. The roll. You take that motherfucker. I ain't gonna be able to record, do that though. Then, don't check it in with y'all boys, man. Big fellas. That bitch chillin', man. They cut up the motherfucking carpet, dog. Come on, player. Come on now. Feel me? You know, I'm trying to get my vlog going, man. Look, I'm on a 30-day challenge. You feel me?
Are you doing it now?
Yeah, that's Big Meech's cousin right there, man. Don't play with him, man. Don't play with that nigga. Hey, tell him y'all, you know Big Meech for real, bro. So I don't think I'm capping.
I know I'm real. He real.
Come on, man.
He fan.
That's fam. Feel me? Like, nigga, I ain't gonna disclose no information, but yeah, man.
I mean, real fan too.
Real fam, man. Nigga locked in with the trenches. You feel me? But yeah, man, you know we in this bitch getting this money, player.
The nigga never gave me no money.
He ain't give you no money, bro.
I ain't made no damn money with me.
That nigga.
Came in at the end of the game, man. I mean, I knew they were living large, but
Yeah. Hell yeah, man. The shit got too hot, bro.
yeah, that shit got heated up, man. And shit just went from one thing to the next real quick.
Real quick, boy.
I got more
That's a fast life right there, man.
fun, man.
Yeah. I'm already knowing.
So if I was hungry, I would have got deep.
Yeah.
I had my retirement coming in.
Yeah.
And my retirement wasn't like it is now, but I was waiting for my that shit took years, man.
Yeah, hell yeah. He looked out for you a little bit, though, on the guys, though.
Oh, no, he looked out on that house.
Hell yeah, that nigga done got the crib. A big crib. Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, man. That's what's up, player. I need me a crib, man. I need that nigga to throw me a crib, man. Hey, hit him up for me, player. Right now. Oh, man. You're going to got to clear it. So you're going to feel it. Roll that bitch, man. Get your tape. You ain't going to play with it. Oh, damn. I need some more tape. Shit, so. Got hot sauce a little bit. Hey, where I... Oh, never mind. Yeah, man. 2 more of these motherfuckers, man. Come on now. I had did a layup. Brody over there, the boss man, he was like, hey, we over there working? I was like, yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? I cut these motherfuckers. Yitty. Oh shit, he didn't get up. You probably seen me recording. Hey. Huh? We got a 49er. Dig. You dig. Part of my shit. Like, I really don't need to do a lot of cuts today. I'm knocking them out back to back. He dropping them off, but I only got less than an hour left. All right, get off. Feel me? But the boss man just came out here shooting hoops. I was like, let me record a shot. He was like, fuck no. He was like, nigga, I don't want to be. He done. He just, you know, he old school, so. He said, I don't want to be on no fucking internet. Goddamn dick. I was like, but yeah, man, you see it though, man. After work vibes, man. Y'all see what the fuck it is, man. Shirt off with a little bit of wine, this motherfucker blunt. You know what I'm saying? After work vibe, young nigga shit. No cap, man. Oh. I need to get some more chains, some more tattoos, all that. It's coming. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna grow with me. Y'all see me now. Watch me. Look, I'm gonna be done up next year for sure. Okay. I might even get a neck tattoo. You know what I'm saying? So like, not no crazy shit. It's gonna be hard. Everything gonna be tough. I don't even know if y'all be peeping my tattoos. You feel me? Just like, I ain't gonna explain my shit, but I don't feel like going in depth on it. Y'all see that shit, man. This one tucked up. And then look, boom. We got the anchor right here. Y'all see the anchor on the chain around it. Come on. This shit real like, got a real purpose to it type shit, bro. Like, for real though. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, you know, after a successful work day, man, we gon'
I started off that year with no bills. All the boy talk about his death all day, but I know he ain't got no
sip a
kills.
little bit,
vibe. My boy, and I think he out the road still. I was trying to play this shit so smooth, this shit done got so real. He knocking at the door, but they ain't never let him in. They ain't send him no letter, so when he got out, he said he gon' spin. He said he sent him prayers up, but I guess he ain't say amen. You know, if you trying to make it, then you gotta have a plan. I walk by, they smell the older young nigga geeked up his motor. He ain't send shots, he sent some floaters. Take a trip to Miami just to go and see some boaters. My young niggas some players, but they know they can't even coach us. Roll a fat ass one and smoke that bitch down to some roaches. He jumped up in that water.